Hello, good afternoon. What is your full name? My full name Anderson Javier Coqueco Cuellar of and are you 33 years old? Where I'm from and my from neighbor. Where do you live here in Triunfo, Normandia? It is and sport and your profession. I am dedicated and myself to students work what your hobby. I really like rapping and Berlin. My family, where do you live? It live with me parents and me two older brothers. What are you a student? I am a student engineering industry. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite series is Calle de Vampiris. Vampire. What your favorite sport? My favorite sport is the basketball. There are 6 people in my family, but I am meal only tells of about three. My my dog, my mom, uh, mother Nirsa Cuellar, church is 14 year old. Check its of what chair is a neighbor, but we live in Triunfo, Normandia. My mother is very keep cheap. Each herb ears are brown. Chef is like hair. Chef is very. Only my father is Jose Said Coqueco. Chef is 37 year old. Is independence, but me live in Triunfo with us. My father is tall. His boys are brown as black. My brown. My brother is Kayat Jefferson Coqueco and is 1 year old. He is a student and work. He live with un in Triunfo is tall. Il brother eyes black hair lindo he is brown.